guys have been asking for this one. Wow. My mic on. Yeah, because she's a professional. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I don't know how this video is going to follow my last video. There was going to be a lot of pressure on whatever video I posted after my fitness journey video, so I thought I would do one that you guys have been asking for. Before I start talking about jewelry, I just want to say a huge thank you for the amazing response on Tuesday's video. It was really overwhelming, and I literally said in the video like, oh, I'll be in the comments, guys. I'll be in the comments. I'll be replying. I'll be right there. I was overwhelmed, and the second I clicked publish on the Instagram post, my phone died. And then when I turned it on, it was like my phone was exploding with comments and messages from you guys, and you were all just being so sweet. I just felt so loved and supported, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a really scary video for me to post. I've never talked about a lot of those topics. I've kind of alluded to a few of the things I spoke about in my videos, but I've never really said it on camera before, or really to many people in my real life. Like, not a lot of people kind of know. So it was a scary video to post. I was very vulnerable. That was private information about me that I very much could have kept private, but I thought it was right for me to share. Anyway, enough about that. I'm now going to do a jewelry haul. Yeah! You guys always ask me about my jewelry. I am an enormous jewelry fanatic. I love jewelry. I wear so much jewelry. It's just such a massive part of my look. I could wear jeans and a t-shirt and just cover myself in jewelry, and it is a look. I'm gonna start this video to say an enormous thank you to you for your support on the last video by doing a giveaway. I do think I want to start doing more giveaways. I really love doing them, and you guys deserve them. I'm probably going to do a few giveaways a month, so keep your eyes peeled. Today's giveaway is going to be a £50 gift voucher to Regal Rose, which is one of my all-time favorite jewelry shops. Their stuff is gorgeous. Love it. So I've got a few things that they've kindly sent to me, a few things that I've bought myself because they are my go-to place to buy jewelry. So all you guys need to do to win the Regal Rose £50 gift voucher is obviously subscribe to my channel, leave a comment with your Instagram handle so I can contact you, letting me know what your favorite item from this haul is, follow me on Instagram as well as Regal Rose, and leave a comment tagging a friend on the picture of me today on my Instagram. Okay, that's how you enter. £50 can get you a few nice things from Regal Rose, so definitely worth entering. So I should probably start with Regal Rose, right? I'm gonna start with something that I'm actually mourning because it doesn't fit. I ordered the wrong size and I'm kind of gutted about it, but it is this. It is this adorable little signet ring that says darling on it, and I absolutely love it, and I wish it wasn't too small. It's too big for my pinky, but it's too small for my ring finger. Just about get it on my ring finger. The second my fingers swell at all, that is gonna be on there for a while, so maybe I'll just risk it, you know? I might just keep it on. They kindly gifted this to me. It's absolutely adorable. So in love with it. I love all of their really cute, like, engraved jewelry. They have loads of things that say things on. I think they're really delicate and pretty. Other pieces that I actually have from Regal Rose that I wear every day. Two rings that you will have actually seen so many times. Sorry, can you hear that drill? Are you serious? Can they not tell I'm trying to film a jewelry haul in here, you guys? These two rings I wear all the freaking time. My anatomical heart ring. So it's got like a heart inside the glass. And also this yin yang I've had for 3 years that Tim got me for Christmas. I think it was our first Christmas together. And now I've got my lovely darling ring. While I'm here, I'll just talk about a couple of my other rings that I get asked about a lot. So this big rat ring is called Michael Rodent. It's from the Great Frog, London, and it is my favorite ring. I love it, obviously. It's so badass. And this one is actually from And Other Stories, I believe. Just a cute little black gem. This one was my nana's, And this one, Tim's mum got me from a cute little shop a couple of years ago. So those are my everyday rings. Back to the jewelry haul. I've got loads of Regal Rose earrings. So these ones are cute little hearts. So it's a tiny little like huggy hoop with a massive heart hanging off of it, which is why I'm holding it like this, so that you can see that the heart like dangles. These are really cute. They're super chunky. I like the brushed gold of them. Like they're kind of like a matte gold, which I really like. They're a little bit less blingy, a little bit more grungy. Super cool. Love that. We've got another pair of earrings here. These are really cute little, again, hoops with like a little heart and leaves coming out of the bottom. These are like modest, like baby hoops, like day-to-day going to work hoops. I personally love big hoop, but these ones are like cute little wearable, sophisticated hoops. I also picked up a really cute little, well, I'm gonna wear them as a set. They don't come as a set. Hello? Hello? Sorry, hi, my dad just called me. It's really dark in here. Is it just me? I think that's a bit better. Anyway, where was I? I really love snakes. I think snakes are super, super cool. So I picked out this really, really cute, super like delicate little snake. He's got a little, is it black or ruby? I think he's got a little black crystally eye. I absolutely love how delicate it is. And I love how like snakes, a lot of people are like scared of snakes. I'm not scared of snakes, but like loads of people are kind of scared of snakes, but it's this really pretty like dainty necklace. I like the juxtaposition of that. And then to go with that, I picked out these amazing snake earrings. They are so cool. Again, in the same like brushed gold. I just think they're so pretty. I love these. Just very much up my street. So yeah, those are just a few of the items I love from Regal Rose. Again, if you guys want to enter, or if you want to pick up a few of these items for yourself, then you could totally enter the giveaway and get £50 worth of a voucher. I've now got a few bits from Topshop. The first things are the earrings that I'm wearing right now that I just need to get real close. How sick are these? They are little hoops with alligators on them. Look at that. These are incredible. I've linked everything down below, by the way. These are amazing. I love alligators. They make me think of Bolivia. They make me think of the trip. You guys, the next travel vlog will hopefully be coming in the next few weeks, which is Bolivia, and we saw so many alligators. It was amazing. So Bolivia's a good one, okay? The Bolivia vlog is gonna be pretty friggin' sick. Get excited. Get excited. These are a favorite. I just think they're amazing. They're just really different. I love them. Also from Topshop, on an animal theme, look at these. They're little koi fish. Is that not the coolest thing? These are insane. I love them. Aren't they just amazing? I just love that. I was walking around Topshop on Oxford Street waiting to meet Mary, and that's where I saw these and also these, and I was like, you're coming home with me, thank you so much. Gorgeous. Another Topshop find is one that I've been wearing so much recently. It's just my really basic, big, chunky chain. I really love this. It's amazing for layering. You can wear it more like a choker, or you can wear it a little bit lower. As you can probably tell, I just love a lot of necklaces. I love layering. Yeah, this is great for a layering piece. I also got this chain from Topshop. It's kind of unisex. It's just like a plain kind of longish chain. It always makes me laugh every time I'm wearing a gold chain, which is basically every single day, or like a new gold chain that my dad's never seen before. Every single time he's like, is that a real gold chain? I'm like, what kind of a baller? I'm wearing like 5 gold chains. Do you think they're real? Paul. So that is Topshop. And Other Stories has some really nice stuff. This big coin was from And Other Stories. Let me get real close. This coin is from And Other Stories, and I got so many questions asking me where it was from. And Other Stories, I know. Absolutely love this chain. I wore it so much last month, so I've been trying to switch it up a little bit with the jewelry, but this is still a go-to for me. Another recent And Other Stories purchase, which I have already shown you. This one, the little black ring on the gold setting. I really, really like that one. There's another ring that's actually still in its packaging, I think this is absolutely stunning. It's got a lilac, a turquoise, and a black little gemstone in it. So pretty. It's like 3 rings that are attached, like a massive chunky layered ring. It's a little bit, I mean, it's not different for me, it's a chunky ring, but like the color is a little bit different for me. Really like it. I might actually put it on my thumb. Welcome to the family. So yeah, that's and other stories. Oh my god, I've got another thing from Regal Rose. I've got another pair of earrings that I wear all the time. My little gold hoops. These little like matte gold hoops. I wear these all the time. I can't believe I didn't mention them. Sorry. These are also from Regal Rose and I get so many questions about them because they're really cool. They're really thick. Regal Rose. Killer. I've got another pair of earrings which you will have seen briefly in another video, but they are the most bougie things in the world. Feast your eyes on these. They are just mental. Oh my god. Hey, that's a look, isn't it? That's just such a look. These were from River Island. They're like super glitzy, super glam, super extra, and just incredible. You could just wear a little black dress, whack these on, and you're the glamorous person in the room. Maximum effect for minimum effort. Just throw on some earrings, you look great. I've got 3 more jewelry items, and then I've actually got 3 pairs of sunglasses. It's a weird time of year for me to be buying sunglasses, but I saw them and I fell in love, and I thought, you just have to have them, Emma. So I'll show you those as well. So these earrings you will have seen in my Valentine's Day video, but I just wanted to give them another mention because they are so cool. They're hearts, but they've got like roses going around them. I just thought they were perfect for Valentine's Day. Obviously Valentine's Day has passed now, but they're perfect for every day. They're so cool. I think these are so cool. And again, just make every outfit look a little bit more bitchy, which I love. These ones are ridiculous. Look at these. Look at these. These are statements. It's these big old crosses. Won't lie to you, I wore these for about 10 minutes the other day and they were so heavy I had to take them out. But they are very cool, very statement, very big and very heavy. Okay, the final jewelry piece from our friends over at ASOS is one that I've been wearing loads recently. It's this really cool like gothic script that says blessed, and I love this. I've been wearing it like every single day. I love those kind of gothic font necklaces, rings. I think they're really cool. So I like that one said blessed because I'm very blessed. So that's some new in jewelry. I've got 3 pairs of sunglasses. Pretty killer. The first pair are these amazing olive green, massive ones with brown lenses. So it's got this kind of gold detailing on the side, which I think is really cool. These to me, ignore this, kind of ruins the vibe. To me, these scream like don't talk to me, or I'm really hungover, don't talk to me. These are basically don't talk to me sunglasses, which I think we all need, to be honest. These next ones are so cute. They're just round yellow lenses with gold frames. They're from Jeepers Peepers. You can see my eyes through them. They're quite like John Lennon. Don't know how much they actually protect your eyes from the sun, but they're really cool. They're more of like a fashion thing than an eye safety thing. This is from a brand called Pieces, but these are cool, aren't they? I like this kind of bar that they're almost like a rectangle. EmmasRectangle. They're just an interesting shape. I like them very much. I love a cool sunglass. I love a cool pair of sunglasses. A cool sunglass. I don't know how you would phrase that correctly. So ladies and gentlemen, that is my little new in jewelry haul, and also a few older pieces as well, just chatting you through my kind of jewelry. I think I will eventually do a jewelry collection, but it just seems like quite an overwhelming task. Anyway, I really need to wee, so I'm gonna run. I've linked all of these pieces down below if you'd like to check them out. Make sure you enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to have you join our little family around here. We're good, we're nice people here, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment to enter, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for the weekly vlog. Bye. Oh man, oh I need to wee.